How to apply SHEIN points at checkout. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can apply SHEIN points at checkout. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your SHEIN app. After you open that up, find something that you want to buy. So let's say that I want to buy this right here. So I'll add it to my cart. After adding it to my cart, I can then head over to the cart and start with the checkout process. Tap on checkout and you will be prompted to your checkout page where you'll find this points option. If you tap on points, you will then be able to choose how many points you want to use. So you'll see the total points available and how much you want to use. So type that in and then tap on apply. After you do that, you'll basically have applied SHEIN points at checkout, which will give you a certain discount. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.